here we'll solve an absolute value equation, the one over there. Okay, let me remind you guys what we will have to do when we are dealing with an absolute value equation. So let's take a look right here. When we have the absolute value being isolated on one side, and if this is equal to a positive number, then you proceed by the following. You can take this out, but you actually have to consider two equations. So check this out. The inside stays the same, so just write that down. But for the first equation, you are going to negate the positive number. So just put negative. So in this case, we'll see we'll have to be dealing with -8. So that will give you the first equation that you just solve it. And then for the second one, well, you just take out the absolute value and you have the inside. And you make this equal to that positive number. And then just solve it as usual. So nothing too crazy. So now let's put this in action. An absolute value, it's isolated, and that's equal to a positive number. So we can proceed like this. All right. So first, I will write down the inside, which is 5x plus 2. And we'll make this equal to -8. So this is what I mean by negate this number right here, just like that. And the second equation is that we'll just put down 5x plus 2, and then we make that equal to 8, just as how it is. And now, this is so wonderful, isn't it? Because we can just do these two equations the usual way. Right here, we can just minus 2 on both sides, cancel this out, and then we get 5x equals -10, and then divide both sides by 5. Perfect. We get x equals, work that out, you get -2. Right here, minus 2 on both sides, cancel this out, and we get 5x equals +6. And then divide both sides by 5. Cancel this out, and we get x equal to 6 over 5. So there we have it. Here we have the two answers. And if you look at the answer choices, they put the answers in the solution set. So I will do that for you guys as well. So the solution sets, we have -2, and then the other answer is 6 over 5. And you know it. That's it.